HONOR phone freezing, lagging, or locked out? In this video, we'll show you 5 easy ways to factory or hard reset your device, whether it's working or not. Option 1. How to hard reset HONOR phone via Huawei HiSuite. Install HiSuite on PC. Power off phone, hold volume down plus power for fast boot. Connect via USB, enable HID. Open HiSuite, choose System Recovery or Factory Reset, follow prompts. Option 2. How do I force a factory reset? From Settings, go to Start Settings, System and Updates, Reset Phone. Choose an option, for example, Reset, but keep ESMs. The HONOR 90 will erase data and restart. Option 3. How to hard reset HONOR with just the buttons. Recovery mode. Press and hold power plus volume up until the phone enters recovery mode. Use volume buttons to select, wipe data, or factory reset. Press power to confirm and start the reset. Option 4. How to factory reset HONOR via secret code. Open dialer on HONOR. Try codes 1 by 1, 2846579, 1357946, or hashtag 7780 hashtag. In project menu, select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Confirm to reset and reboot. Option 5. How to factory reset HONOR phone from a computer. While the previous methods are effective, issues can occur. Some HONOR data may still be recoverable after a factory reset, and success may vary by model. That's where the Mobikin eraser for Android comes in. Step 1. To begin, download and install the Android eraser on your computer. Subsequently, connect your HONOR device to the computer using a USB cable and enable USB debugging if you were prompted to do so. Step 2. Once the software is installed, open it and adhere to the on-screen instructions to detect your device. After it is recognized, select Erase from the main interface. Step 3. Following that, select a security level and confirm your choice by entering Delete. Then, click Erase once more. You may opt for low level to ensure strong data recovery prevention, medium level for media files, and high level to protect your information. Step 4. This product will commence the erasure process according to the selected security level. To erase system data and settings, you can perform a factory reset on the smartphone by following the prompts and clicking Continue to permanently remove all data from your HONOR device.